I know many of you are wondering what I'm drinking right now, and that's Gary. So we all know that they measure Gary in what? Cups, they measure Gary in bags, they measure it in what? Rubbers. And there are a lot of measurement for everything. The same thing with numbers. There is a way they measure numbers, and the way they measure numbers is called the number system. So most of you know the denary number system, which is the number system in base 10. We also have another that is the octal number system and the binary number system. I think these are the three main number systems that people are acquainted with. So today we'll be talking about the from binary to decimal or denary number system. Now we have a binary number as what? 1011 base 2, and we are told to convert to what? Base 10. So what do? The first number is going to multiply the base. So 1 times what? 2. The second number plus what? 0 times what? 2. The same thing with the base. Plus what? 1 times what? 2. And finally 1 times what? 2. We are going to start from the last number and calibrate from 0 up to what? This one. So it becomes what? 0, 1, 2, 3. If there is another term there, we would have made it what? 4. So let's evaluate this. This now gives us 1 times 2 gives us what? 2. Raised to the power of 3 gives us what? 8 plus what? 0 plus what? 1 times 2 gives us 2. Raised to the power of 1 is what? 2 plus what? 1 times 2 gives us what? 2. Raised to the power of 0 is what? 1. And finally our answer is what? 11 base what? 10. Now looking at this, there is an easier way we can what? Evaluate this just by looking at the numbers. Let's look at another one. You have, okay, let's look at this again. 1011 base what? 2. Now because it's in base 2, look at how I'm going to calibrate mine. This becomes 1. The next number becomes what? 2. The next is what? 4. The next is what? 8. If there is another one, it will be what? 16. If there is another number, 32, 64, and so on and so forth. So we are going to add only the numbers that have what? 1 attached to it. All this one that has 0 will be what? Skipped. So this becomes 8 plus 2 gives us what? 10 plus what? 1 gives us what? 11 base 10. Another one you can do is, let's look at this. 10101. Now what do we do again? This is in base 2. So what do? The first number is what? 1. The second one is what? 2. The next is what? 4. The next is what? 8. The next is what? 16. Now we are going to add the ones that have what? 1 and skip these zeros. So 16 plus what? 4 gives us what? 20 plus 1 gives us what? 21. This is what? 10. So you can evaluate or you can convert binary numbers to what? Decimal numbers without having to what? Solve this. But please take note of this. This can only be applicable, or this is only applicable in what? Objective questions. If you are given a theory question, you have to go through this process of what? Solving to get your what? Answer. Hope you learned something good today.